Hello everyone. Welcome to this workshop on crafting winning hackathon presentations using the SCR framework. My name is Dr. Rahil Garnavi and I'll be your guide as we explore how to structure and present your solutions in a way that captures the judge's attention and maximizes your chances of success. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to make a quick disclaimer. The strategies and frameworks that I will be sharing in this workshop are based on my personal experience as a judge and as a professional. These are recommendations, not official guidelines from the hackathon organizers. You are free to adapt or deviate from these suggestions as you see fit. And of course, while these strategies can significantly enhance your presentation, following them doesn't guarantee success. Let's move forward with this understanding. Here's what you'll learn today. First, we'll discuss how to structure your presentation using the SCR framework, an effective tool for storytelling. Then, I'll share tips for showcasing your solution in a way that resonates with the judges. And finally, we will cover how to align your submission with the hackathon judging criteria to ensure you are addressing exactly what the judges are looking for. Hackathons are about more than just building something cool. They are about how effectively you can communicate your solution. A clear and structured presentation helps judges not only understand your idea, but also connect with its impact. Remember, even the most brilliant solutions can fall flat if it isn't presented and communicated well. The SCR framework stands for situation, complication, and resolution. Think of it as a foundation for telling a compelling story. First, you set the stage by introducing the situation, the context of the challenge. Then, you highlight the complication or the gap or problem that needs solving. Finally, you present the resolution, your innovative solution that addresses the problem. This structure helps create a logical flow and keeps your audience engaged. Now let's explore how the SCR framework aligns with the hackathon judging criteria. First, the situation ties directly to consistency with challenge. This is where you set the stage by framing the problem clearly and showing how your solution aligns with the problem statement. Judges want to see that you understand the challenge and have framed it effectively. Next, the complication does several things. It highlights originality by identifying a unique gap or unmet need that current solutions fail to address. It explains why addressing this gap matters, connecting it to social value and impact. This is where you show the significance of the problem and why solving it could make a meaningful difference. It also touches on commercialization by identifying the lack of scalable or monetizable solutions in the current landscape. Highlighting this gap sets the stage for your solution's potential impact and market relevance. Finally, the resolution ties everything together and connects to all judging criteria. Quality and design. Demonstrate the technical robustness, thoughtful design, and overall quality of your solution. Usability. Show how user-friendly and practical your solution is for the intended audience and users. Social value and impact. Reinforce how your solution directly addresses the identified problem and creates real-world benefits. Commercialization. Showcase how your solution is scalable, sustainable, and has market potential. And originality. Highlight the innovative aspects of your solution and how it stands out from existing and traditional approaches. By structuring your presentation with SCR, you create a logical, compelling narrative that addresses every judging criteria. This approach ensures that your presentation resonates with the judges and makes your solution's value clear. Remember, clarity is everything. Let's break down how to structure your 2 to 4 minute presentation. Start with the challenge, the situation. Spend about 10-15 seconds framing the problem clearly and concisely. Then move to the gap, the complication. Use about 30-40 seconds to highlight what's missing or not working in the current solutions. Remember to touch on social value and impact and commercialization by explaining why solutions to this gap matters and how it addresses unmet needs. Next, present your solution, the resolution, in the SCR framework. Spend about 1.5 or 2 minutes showcasing how your solution addresses the gap. Demonstrate its key features, focusing on usability, quality, and innovation. Finally, conclude with impact. In the last 15-20 seconds, summarize how your solution delivers value, aligns, and how it aligns with judging criteria, and has the potential to scale. Remember, tie each step to the judging criteria. For example, when presenting your solution, highlight quality, usability, originality, and keep this flow in mind as you craft your presentation. When you are presenting your solution, start with your most impressive feature. Grab attention right away. Use real-world scenarios to show how your solution can be applied. This helps demonstrate its usability. And finally, keep your explanations simple and accessible. Avoid jargon that might confuse the audience. Clarity is key. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid. First, don't spend too much time explaining the challenge. Judges are already familiar with it. Second, avoid overloading your presentation with technical jargon. It can make your message harder to follow. And third, don't forget to tie your solution back to real-world impact. Always show the value of what you've built. Before you hit submit, here is a quick checklist. Make sure your video is clear, concise, and follows the SCR structure. Test your demo to ensure that all features work smoothly and highlight their relevance to the challenge. Finally, double-check your documentation or code base for completeness and accessibility. A well-rounded submission is key to standing out. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, a great presentation is your chance to bring your solution to life for the judges. Stay clear, stay impactful, and let your creativity shine. If you'd like to connect or have any questions about the SCR framework, if there are parts of it that's not clear, please feel free to reach out. You can scan this QR code on the page. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your amazing solutions.